Walaikum assalam.
Supposingly, I have one extra shop and I want to do business in that, but I am running first shop so that I cannot give the full attention to the second shop. So, can I do that? I give that shop to a person, and approximately I know that daily income of that shop is around say 5,000 rupees. Collection is there every day. So on that fixed percent, say I say okay, give me 5% of the profit or 5% of the collection of money. I make it fixed. So can I do that way?
Well, that's a question that if he has two shops, if he doesn't have time to look out a second shop, but he knows the approximate profit and he says that he does a deal, he gives the other person to run the shop and says, I want a fixed percentage, 5% of the profit or 5% of the collection. Is it allowed? It's totally allowed. Fixing a percentage of the profit is totally halal. But giving fixed, that I'm giving you 1 lakh rupees, then give me 5% of 1 lakh every month is haram. But if you say whatever collection you have, you can either give the shop empty or with the good, whatever you want, whatever your thing is there. 5% of the collection, it is variable. Sometimes the collection may be in a month 1 lakh, sometimes 2 lakh, sometimes 3 lakh. It's variable, it's perfectly allowed. Or you say 5% of the profit. That's also allowed. Or you can give your shop on rent and say my rent of my shop is 1,000 rupees. That's also allowed. But you can't give money and say give me a fixed percentage on that money, that's haram. But giving a shop with goods or without goods and saying giving 5% of the profit or collection is totally halal. Hope that answers the question.
What if, you